Welcome to FAD tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can import the CAD or step files in Blender. So for this purpose we use the unique software Moyo 3D. So first of all I have to import my step file in Moyo 3D. Let me open the file. So you can make it, select the step, and this is a step file which I have to import. It's take a little time if your model is not heavy. So our model is imported. So this is actually an expansion joint in the engineering oil and gas field. So first of all I have to go to file and save as, and I will save it because in Blender we can use this STL and a WBS. So both of the option you can use, and even FBX also use. So I will go with OBJ format, and I will change the name into Blender import. Okay, and let's save it. So a pop-up will show, like they will show how many polygons you need. So in this way, if you increase, the polygons will be increased, so your model will be more smoother. So I need this one is okay for me. So here you can see also the poly count is showing here, so it's around 170. It's okay for me, so I just say okay, and let's save the model. So the model will be saved. So it will take a little time based on your computer. So now it's I think safely exported. So I will close this software and open the Blender. So our Blender is open. So I'm using the latest version 5.0. so let's delete this one and go to the file and import wavefront OBJ. So I select wavefront OBJ and go to the downloads, and this is the model which we exported from Moyo 3D. So I select this one, import wavefront OBJ. Currently it's too big, so let's scale it. So if I go to the edit mode, you can see. Okay, so that's why OBJ is good format. So I hope you like this tutorial. So keep supporting my channel. I will upload a lot of tutorial based on Blender, SolidWorks and 3D design. Thank you very much.